Hey friends, hello. Every time I visit IKEA, I end up buying a lot of stuff. This time it was not a lot of stuff, but at least I bought something that I felt I can share with you all. Welcome back to my channel, Matt's World of Passion. Now, the first item in my list is this cloth hanger, which is they've made it in the shape of an octopus. It has eight stands with two clips on each of them, and this is how it can be opened and closed easily when not in use. This is very helpful when you're hanging tiny clothes like socks, handkerchiefs, and other stuff. And all the prices I have mentioned it on the screen, so you can either buy it from their shop or online. And this can be easily hung anywhere, so I found it very useful. And of course, the quality of this is also very good. These are a set of 8 cloth pegs, which I just bought to match with the color of the octopus hanging hand. Now, this one is a small grater which you can use to grate garlic and ginger and any tiny stuff. I think this is very useful. It comes with a cover, so it is kids friendly as well. It's not going to harm anyone. And this one is a pizza cutter. In fact, I don't cook pizza, but I have bought it for some other purpose. In fact, the reason I bought all of these here at IKEA was because the quality was really good and the price was also pretty reasonable. Now, each time I visit IKEA, I don't fail to buy, uh, photo frames. So here's another one, and this one is an umbrella which comes with a cover, and of course, it's a automatic thing that can be opened with the press of a button that you find here. And I found the material to be good, so I bought this too. I think it is a little expensive than what you find in the market, but okay, I thought for the quality, I thought it was fine. Now, this one is a rexine kind of a material, which is a lunch bag. I mean, for the price, you can't expect the quality to be too good. This might just get torn off after some time when you use it, but I just bought it considering the price and just to give it a try. Probably for light-weighted carrier box, I think this would be very ideal, but anything heavy, you can just avoid this. And this one is a definitely very good quality of coffee tea jar, which I bought in a set of two. It comes with a lid and a beautiful golden color inside and a black um, color outside. I think it was really worth a buy. I loved, the matte finish of the black color, and the lid actually closes with a lock, so always a plus. And this one is a candle holder or a candle stand, but actually I bought it to keep my oil stuff like the can and the boxes of ghee in this. You can just keep a very thin plastic sheet beneath, and on top you can keep the oil stuff. I think it is going to be very useful, easy to clean, of course. And this one, as last time, I bought this similar organizer this time too because I loved it. So the quality is just okay, but still I think it was very functional. And these are life plans that I've bought after a few days. A couple of these plans actually died and did not survive. So think before you buy these life plans from them, because most of the times, the life plans always they have a problem. I'm saying this out of my own experience. And okay, this one is a tiny funnel which I've bought to use it in the kitchen. And this one is a pan, a flat pan, which again you can use it for roti making. I think the quality was good for the price, so I just thought I should be giving it a try. Every time I buy prestige and other stuff, so this time, just for a change, I thought I should buy this. And this one, of course, is a nice, pretty, cute artificial plant which I always buy each time I visit IKEA. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you all liked it and enjoyed watching my video. If you've not subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.